think you can hear it. And there's the bad stabilizer link. I've actually got this smaller jack pushing up on the wheel a bit, just so that it takes off some of the weight. Okay, so here's the noise I have. That is the slop, and we're going to change that out. Okay, so we'll just start off just by loosening it. Okay, that's one. And that's the second one. And I'm just going to put a little bit of penetrating oil on it. There we are. So here's the part I just took off, and this piece still has, it's pretty solid, but the other side don't know if you can hear that. Here's the new part. It's got 17mm bolts on it, and it does have the same Allen key hold down, so you can tighten it up and release it. These new ones have this nylon locking washer built into it. This is the stabilizer bar, and we're going to connect it to this piece from here to here. Okay, so this is the easiest way, is to get the bottom one in, line it up pretty close, and then just push this one in. And I'm just going to jack the wheel up a bit. That looks pretty good, just a little bit more. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, I've switched over to my 17mm, and we'll just put this nut back on. Okay, they're tight enough now that I can get the wrench on. And I'm going to use the long bar just to tighten them up that little bit extra. And there we are. Job completed on that side. The other side's exactly the same. On a scale of 1 to 10 for difficulty, I would give this a definite 2. It's really easy. Anybody can do it. You don't need a wheel alignment on afterwards. Got those stabilizer links done, and we'll listen to them now. Just normal suspension noise. No more clunking.